We have here the Mach 1 Mustang.
Oh, yeah.
YouTube, we are here at Pistons at the park checking out another car meet. Let's see how this one goes. We're looking like it's gonna be pretty cool. Here we're gonna check out one of the probably cleanest R32s I've ever seen with an RB25. Check this out. Damn, have you ever seen an R32 that clean? Not sure if modified a turbo or anything, but damn, check this car out. Oh my lord, that's clean. Damn, listen to that Pro Charger supercharger. Damn, that fucking Mustang's gonna be wild. We have here the Mach 1 Mustang in this insanely blue. I think we've checked this car out before. Two-piece wheels. Super nice interior. Even inspiron extinguishers freaking dope back there. And twinning with another very, very clean Mustang. Check out the guy's interior. Shit. That's nice.
Yeah, I love that look. Yeah, I did.
Damn, I didn't even notice that was a Fox body right there. That shit clean. Check this thing out. I don't really fuck with the color, but damn, son, look at that turbo. Still has a lot of room for more. Intake manifolds look insane too. Here we have the infamous Shelby Cobras. I don't think I've ever really seen this purplish blue. Watch this. Ooh, damn. I love the views of these cars. Damn, look at this little carbon insert that he put. Is this your car?
Yeah.
It's very nice. What color's on this?
It's a 09 Chevy laser blue.
Laser blue? Very nice.
It's very metallic, you just can tell.
It kind of has like a purplish tint, kind of.
When it gets dark out, it goes kind of purple, but it's definitely bright blue with the sun's out.
Yeah. And we have another red Shelby Cobra.
I like projects though. That's what this was. I bought this stuff. It was closed off.
Oh, buddy, listen to this little chop.
The only place I know where to buy it on eBay.
Which one's louder out of all these three? I think possibly the gray one. I feel like I definitely need to be coming out to these local car meets more, because I mean, I think I missed out 3 months, and in these 3 months that I haven't came, these car shows, or this car show has gotten insanely big since the last time I've been here. Hope to check many more of you guys out here. See many more cars. got to the car show and I'm already heading towards the exit because I mean shit, all these cars that are leaving are insanely wild. Check this out. We're about to see the Mach 1 Mustang in blue leave. Let's check this out. Holy! Damn, that thing's a beast. And these 3 Shelby Cobras leaving together. Let's see. It's gonna be wild. The way the freaking crowd was scared. I'm telling you guys, you gotta come out to these meets. Just check this out. Yeah, horsepower Challenger, not bad. Don't tell me you messed up the freaking TRX. That didn't sound good. Damn, that volcano orange looked clean. Yeah, everyone backed up real quick.